Having an arrest record, even without a conviction, can significantly impact your reputation and opportunities. In California, you may be eligible to petition to seal and destroy your arrest records under Penal Code Section 851.91. This legal process removes your current arrest from public review, aiding in employment, housing, and personal peace of mind. Are you eligible? In order to be eligible, there must be no conviction. If you were arrested but not convicted, such as when charges were dismissed or never filed, you may qualify. In addition, you may also complete diversion programs. Successfully finishing a diversion program or pretrial intervention program can also make you eligible. As far as the overview for this goes, you'll want to gather your documentation, collect all relevant documents, including arrest reports and court records. In addition to this, if you have any type of police booking papers, you'll want that as well. You'll want to complete and submit the necessary forms to the appropriate court, serving copies to the prosecuting agency and arresting law enforcement. And finally, you'll want to attend a hearing, present your case. The prosecution may object and the judge will decide. As far as timing considerations, if this is a misdemeanor, it's advisable to wait at least 1 year from the arrest date before filing, as charges can be filed within this. For felonies, the statute limitations can extend up to 3 years, so waiting during this duration may be prudent. There are several benefits of sealing your arrest records. Privacy protections. Sealed records won't appear in most background checks, safeguarding your reputation. Legal rights means that you can legally and lawfully state that you have not been arrested for the sealed offense in most situations. Navigating this process can be complex. Consulting with an experienced criminal defense attorney familiar with your local court procedures can enhance your chances of a successful outcome. Take control of your future by exploring the option to seal and destroy your arrest records, allowing you to move forward without the burden of a past arrest.